Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2023. As we all know, cleaning our homes can be a tedious task, but with these robot vacuums, cleaning has never been easier. So let's jump right into it. 1. Dyson 360. Hurist. First on our list is the Dyson 360 Hurist. This robot vacuum is equipped with powerful suction and intelligent sensing technology. It can detect obstacles and avoid them while cleaning efficiently. It also comes with an app that allows you to customize cleaning schedules and even map out your home. 2. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. Next up is the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. This robot vacuum is designed to clean deep into corners and along edges, ensuring no spot is missed. It also has a high-efficiency filter that captures 99% of allergens, making it perfect for those with allergies or pets. 3. Shark IQ Robot Vacuum. The Shark IQ Robot Vacuum is an affordable yet powerful option for those on a budget. It comes with a self-emptying base that can hold up to 30 days of dirt and debris, which means less hassle for you. It also has a mapping feature that allows it to learn your home's layout and optimize its cleaning route. 4. Ecovacs Debit Osmo T8 AIVI. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that can do it all, the Ecovacs Debit Osmo T8 AIVI is the one for you. This robot vacuum not only vacuums but also mops and even has a built-in camera for surveillance. It also comes with an app that allows you to control it remotely and view its cleaning progress. 5. Neato BotVac D7 Connected. Last but not least, we have the Neato BotVac D7 Connected. This robot vacuum has a D-shaped design that allows it to clean deep into corners and along walls. It also has a large dustbin and a long battery life, making it perfect for larger homes. So there you have it, our top 5 best robot vacuums of 2023. Each of these vacuums offers unique features that cater to different needs and preferences. We hope this video has helped you in your search for the perfect robot vacuum. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.